literally are spokespeople. They have sponsorship deals with this company. Woo! You ain't seen the fallout of this yet. The markets are reacting to it right now, and you see, look, let me just remind those who just came in. Woo, boy, y'all ain't seen nothing. Let me go over here and show you. Look at the market. Let me zoom in on this so we can really see. This is the market reacting to the FTX news. Boom. If you didn't grab any of this up, like I did, I sure did. I spent some money here, spent money here for sure. I want this to actually go up and start recovering. I want it to go. It may or may not do that. We're going to find out what happens with the bulls and the bears right here. Let's see if they're going to fight it out and this candle stays green, right? 16,149. But I'm going to show y'all some stuff today. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is bad. If you're listening to me right now, I'm going to show you one page inside of my ebook, and you better pay attention to it. Do not try. This is not the time to be a maverick. This is not the time to say, I don't know, I'm going to wing it. None of that. I'm giving you this because I love you. I'm not going to lie. In my ebook, if you are serious about creating wealth with cryptocurrency, you cannot, all caps, you cannot leave your digital assets on exchanges. You just can't. Get your shit off an exchange right now. Remember this phrase, not your keys, not your crypto. If you don't know what one of these is, read my ebook, grab it for the rest of the great information inside of it. Watch these 2 videos. Get your crypto off of exchanges right now. I'm gonna say one more time for the people in the back. Get your crypto off exchanges. This is not the time to play around with this at all. Some of y'all wasn't listening to me when Voyager went down. Some of y'all wasn't listening to me when Celsius went down. Some of y'all aren't listening to me right now, and FTX is going down in flames right before our eyes. FTX was like the second largest exchange, right behind Binance, like Binance, Coinbase, like FTX. They were all right there. I don't think y'all understand. Let me go over here and show you what FTX. I'm gonna go and show. Let me, because they had the FTT token. Let's just go here and see. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, look. Let me show you something. This is not the exchange. I'm showing you the coin that's tied to the exchange so you can understand. Look, this is FTX's coin. This is the coin that's tied to the exchange right here, FTX token, FTT. Right? You don't remember up here, the market cap right there in September was in 2021. This was what the price was, but let me show you the market cap. The market cap up there was 9 billion, right? Y'all see it? $9 billion. Let me show you where it was. Let me zoom in on this. Let's go 7 days, because this ain't even been 7 days. Let me show you when it started getting in trouble. The market cap in this bear market was 2.9 billion. Then it started getting in trouble. The news started swarming around it. Crashed down here at about 2 billion, right? Recovered itself right there. And it was 2.5 billion. Look at the market cap right now. Oh my God. Some of y'all don't know how much money that is when you go from let me show you up here. When you go from 2.9 billion, let me whip my calculator out so you can understand how crazy this is. Let's look, this is 2.9 billion. 29, that's 290 million. That's 2.9 billion right there. Let me check. Hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, 2.9 billion. Is that true? Yes, it is. Let's see the market cap right now. The market cap right now is about 312 million. So let's take this market cap, what it was, and divide it by 312 million. Watch what happens when I click this equals button. Damn! This market cap has fell a 9, almost a 10x. It is going down in flames. Do you know how much money was lost? You're talking about taking $312 million and multiplying that by 9.2 to get to 2.5 billion. What? Do you know how much money people lost? I was a total degenerate. Some of y'all know that I bought FTT when it started falling. I was like, let me go ahead and just dump $7,000 in there. I took my money out. I lost 2 G's on that. I pulled it out. I was like, when I got that news that Binance was pulling out, I was like, no, that's it. That's it for me. I ate that $2,000 up that I lost. I was just like, it is what it is, Calvin. You was being a total degenerate, and I like taking risks. I'm a gunslinger at times. I sling the guns around for sure. But when CZ said he's out, that was it for me. I was like, yep, I'm gonna take that loss. I'm out. I hold 0 FTT right now. I'm done. Just letting y'all know. Get your crypto off exchanges. Seriously. I'm going to say that one more time because I think it's before I do anything else on this live, before we get into all the fun and answering questions and stuff, please get your crypto off exchanges right now. If you don't know how to do that, read my ebook so that you understand what one of these is. Self-custody, storage. Okay? Security, storage, and security on one of these. If you leave your crypto on an exchange, you've been warned. You've been warned. I just told you 10 times now. Get it off. Now. Is Coinbase wallet safe? Yeah, Coinbase is a DeFi wallet, which means it has nothing to do with Coinbase, the exchange, or Coinbase Pro, the exchange. Coinbase wallet is a DeFi wallet, and it is self-custody. It is called a hot wallet, and yes, it is safe, just like Trust Wallet and all that. It's basically holding your crypto on your phone. That's what it is. Holding your crypto on the phone instead of an exchange where you control your private keys. Remember, your crypto never leaves the blockchain. It's just your private keys that you're storing. Do you still make money on a ledger? Do you still make money on a ledger? Yeah, your crypto never leaves the blockchain. I just said that. That was a great question. Your crypto never leaves the blockchain. You're just storing your private keys on one of these. This is how you access your crypto from your private keys. If you leave your private keys on the exchanges, they own your crypto, not you. You own an expensive username and a password. If you want to truly control your crypto and own it 100%, read my ebook. For sure. Get that up in you. Get that all up in your spirit, man. Somebody said Binance with a question mark. You gotta be more specific. I don't know what that means. Hard to do if you trade. Somebody said hard to do if you trade. You're trading crypto? I'm talking to DX. Says hard to do if you trade. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna throw this out here just for shits and giggles. I'm gonna throw this out here. First of all, I don't know, so I'm gonna say average. I'm gonna pull this up in front of everybody. Average income average income of day traders for crypto. I want to be specific. Here you go. As of November the 2nd of this year, an average annual pay for a cryptocurrency trader in the United States is $112,000. Just in case you need a simple salary calculator, that works out to be approximately $54 an hour. Okay, now we got something to work with, don't we? Do we have something to work with? $112,000 a year. Right? So I'm gonna see if I can help this make sense to some people. So 112,925. Okay, this is your average person. So divided by 12 months. All right, that's about $9,400 a month. Right? Am I right? $9,400 a month. So I want to make sure I see a big numbers. This person, on average, if you're trying to day trade in crypto, is the average person that knows what they're doing is going to make about $9,400 a month. Is that true? Before I go any further, I want to make sure that's true. Is that what that's saying? Right? And who agrees? Is that right? Somebody double the screen if that's right. Those numbers are right. Just give me a thumbs up. Average annual pay for a cryptocurrency trader in the US, $112,000. $9,400 a month is what we're rolling with, okay? All right, watch this. Now, that's for someone that really, because here's what they're not going to tell you, ZipRecruiter. Take it from, that's from ZipRecruiter, which is a trusted source for sure. Okay, now ZipRecruiter, let me see if I can help you out. Let me add something else to that because I'm not going to give you generic information. I'm going to give you real information. Peep the game. What they don't tell you is that you're running up against traders who are into the market like me. Annual trading volume, $1 million. Now, pay attention, annual trading, but wait for it. My portfolio outperformed 97.46% of global users. But wait for it, I was only on KuCoin for 110 days. You're talking to a real trader. That means in about 3 months, I did over $1 million worth of trading volume and my portfolio outperformed 97.46% people. That means less than 3% people are better than me globally. And that was only about 3 months. So let's talk about real numbers. Now let me go here and tell you, if you're gonna trade, you're trading against people like me. And so I don't give a damn what ZipRecruiter tells you. If you don't understand the market like people like me, you're not making $112,000. We're gonna take your money. The average trader, what they don't tell you, is only gonna get 60% of their trades right. They're gonna lose 40% straight up. Let me say it again. The average trader is only going to win 60% of their trades. 40% they're losing that money. I want to make sure you understand that. So don't get excited thinking that it's straight up $112,000. It ain't. And you better really know your stuff. Better really know your stuff. Here's what I think though. Those are real numbers right there, what we just gave you, but I'm also going to give y'all something else because I like people to really understand. Watch this. No, pay attention. This is really good stuff. I'm showing you something that's real. Right here, I wrote this ebook. Don't buy the ebook. I'm just using it. I want to show you an example. I wrote an ebook that says 7 proven steps to 6-figure affiliate marketing. Right? That means $100,000, but I'm giving you a little bit more, 112. You want a day trade, so I'm giving you 112 so we can have this number. Because I do know, I'm going to copy this so we can put this number back, but I want to show you $100,000 divided by 12 months is 8333. 8333 a month. That's what just straight up 100 G's is. But I'm giving you a little bit more. I'm giving you $9,400 a month. You want to be a day trader with crypto. Okay, watch this. To learn how to day trade with crypto, here's what you're going to have to learn. You're going to have to learn TradingView. You're going to have to learn all the indicators, all of them. Okay, especially the one. Let me show you the indicators that you need because as I'm making this very plain and simple, because I'm going to give you an easier route if you're listening. But if you want to go this route, I'm going to give you all the tools so you have zero excuses. Here's what you want to learn. Screenshot this because these are the indicators that I use. I'm giving you an advantage that most people won't have. These are my favorite indicators right here. There you go. You got it? I'm serious. Screenshot this. If you're telling me, if you want to try to do this a month, this is what you're going to need to know, these indicators right here. Okay, y'all got that? Fantastic. You need to learn every last one of these for sure. The next thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you're prepared to pay about $400-500 a month. No, you're going to have a pro account on TradingView. That's a given. So that's $300. Let me make sure, because I'm giving y'all all the tools, because I'm going to give you I'm going to give you this route, and I'm going to give you a route that I think that you should take. But before I do that, I want to make sure that everybody is getting up to speed. Let's see. How much am I spending on this TradingView account? I'm going to go up here. Oh, I have a pro account. So I'm going to go to pro account and billing. What did I spend? Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. You're going to $300 for a pro subscription annually paid up front. So you need that. So put that in your budget. You're going to need that. All right. Now let me go here and flip my camera around so I can talk directly to you. You're going to need an additional $457 a month. That's reoccurring. So forget your car note that you want to, forget that shit. You need $400 because you're going to need Market Cipher. Market Cipher A, Market Cipher B, so you can understand what blood diamonds are and VWAPs. Be prepared to pay for that. You're going to need token metrics. Write this down. You're going to need this. Token metrics. You're going to need that. Trust me, these are tools of the people like me who want to win. Token metrics. Write it down. You're going to need to make sure that you get a subscription to Glassnode. Yeah. Because you want to look at on-chain analysis. You don't want to look at the stuff that's on TradingView. You want to look at the on-chain analysis, so you're going to need Glassnode. Are y'all writing this stuff down? I'm trying to make sure that y'all get all the tools that you need. Now, there's some other tools. I don't feel like mentioning all those today, but that'll get you started right there. And once you start getting involved with all of that, then you'll figure out what else you need. But about $400 or $500 a month reoccurring is what you're going to need to day trade. Now, y'all got that? All right, good, great. Along with all the other stuff that you need to learn, relative strength index, trading the 2 and the 4 on the downside, ABC corrections to the upside, ABC corrections to the downside inside of Elliott wave theories. You need to understand all of that stuff. Okay, here's what I would say for you. If you want to try to chase that $9,400 a month, here's what I'm going to do for you. Wait for it. I'm pulling this back up. How about you grab this ebook right here, which let me click on this button right here. Let me see how much I'm selling it for. I know some of y'all laughing, but it's not funny. 6-figure affiliate marketing. If you want this ebook by itself, it's $15. This ebook is $15. All right, y'all got that? All right. Now, what does that ebook do? Let me go here and show it to you. If you go here, it tells you that what affiliate marketing is and why you should be doing it. Bullet points in here and everything, telling you don't have to create products and services. No, these bullet points are the truth. You can start right now, start making money this week, today. You can develop and scale it and all that other stuff, right? And there's all kind of tools that I mentioned in here that you can actually grow a real business when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? Now, I want to give you an example here because as you screenshot those indicators, I'm going to have you screenshot this because you're going to have to make a choice of what you want to do. Screenshot this. You screenshotted the indicators. Now I'm asking you to screenshot this. I do over $1 million a year with affiliate marketing, and these are the companies that I promote. You're chasing this. I'm showing you what $1 million a year looks like right here. There you go. This is a different type of tool right here. You see that? So double tap that. You got it? Okay, great. Look at everything on here. There's Amazon right there. That means Amazon, where I made over $40,000 in a year just promoting Amazon as an affiliate. So you can see that. You see, y'all got it? Did y'all get that one? Here also we have HostGator. I'm gonna open that up, HostGator. We also have ClickFunnels here. I'm gonna open that up, ClickFunnels. And then we also have here Legendary Marketer, which is all this stuff is mentioned in my ebook. Now let's start over here with, I don't know, this one, HostGator. You're chasing this. You're gonna have to go up against a lot of good people. Now over here in this account, $1,365 is waiting for me right now. And I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna look at earnings for history. Because I like, oh wow, look at that. For the month, that's $15,500. $14,135 has been paid this month. You're chasing this monthly. This has been paid out for a HostGator. Let's go over here to ClickFunnels real quick. I'm just trying to show y'all, by the way, affiliate marketing is done with a cell phone and a computer from your house, by the way. All right, let's go here and let's click on ClickFunnels Classic because I want to log into my account. And we're going to do this. How much money am I making over here with ClickFunnels? Let's log into this real quick. Let's go here and let's click on affiliates. Wow, this is great. I'm going to click on dashboard. This pays monthly recurring. That means my commissions come every single month for stuff I did months ago and years ago. I'm still making money on it. Let's see what they're paying me on a monthly basis. That means when I go to sleep, I'm still making money. Right? In the last 7 days, $527. I'll take that. Last 30 days, $3,400. $75,000 been paid out on this. Let me click on this and see if this is coming in because I want to make sure that they're paying me twice a month like they said they was. Yeah, pretty much. There's July, payment, payment, July. There's August, payment, payment, September, payment, payment. So would you say I'm roughly doing about, what, $3,000, $3,500 a month with this? I had you screenshot those, and so I'm just showing you what the money looks like. Now let's open this one up. This is Legendary Marketer, commissions. Let's click on that. Forget about today. Don't worry about that. That is today though, but don't worry about that. Let's go down here and let's look at these weekly payouts. Remember, the $112,000 is $9,400 a month. These are weekly payouts. That means this was Friday and this is every Friday before that Friday. Whip your calendar out and tell me that all of these dates are Friday. I promise you they are. That means on a weekly basis, I am earning, not monthly basis, weekly basis, I am earning commissions in this particular affiliate marketing company. Does everybody understand that? Because I'm telling you, look, that's January, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are weekly payouts. And these things get really, really crazy. $10,000 in a week, $8,000, $8,000, $9,000, $12,000, $8,000, $12,000. You get the idea, right? Look, if I'm keeping it, if this is what you're doing a month to do 112, what the hell does that look like on a weekly basis? That'd be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, pretty much 60, 70, 80, 90. That's like 100 G's right there. Right here. Then you go up. That's be another 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. You get the idea, right? If you go all the way up this commission chart right here, it'll tell you that these commissions total out to $662,000. And you want to be a day trader. Is that what we're talking about? My ebook is $15. It shows you how to do affiliate marketing from your house with one of these and a computer. You sure you want to learn how to do you want to do day trade? Listen, I'm really good. I know how to day trade. I don't like it. You know what I like to do? Create content on the internet. Power of publish. I like to take my intellectual property, turn it into a digital asset. Video, images, text, or audio. Use social media and search engines to help people get their problem solved. Some of y'all right now on this live, why? Because you don't understand crypto the way I do. So you want to make sure that you do it right so that you can become a 6-figure earner or a 7-figure earner. It's 2 commas and $1 million. You want to become part of the 2 comma club when it comes to crypto. Well, you're probably getting that from someone who's already in the 2 comma club. That means I come on these lives, I share my intellectual property with you, and I give you an opportunity to buy an ebook where I've taken that intellectual property, put it inside of an ebook, compress the information so that you can shorten your learning curve when it gets to that 7 figures that you want to get to. I don't have to force you to buy the ebook. The information is in there. I promise you, it is really good. Now come on my lives to answer questions live for entrepreneurs so they understand that the information in that ebook is not even any different from what I'm giving you live. It's really good. You can't fake going live and knowing your shit. You better know it because people will call you out. So affiliate marketing, crypto, you can buy my books. $10, $15. You can buy a combo for $25. Or you can spend the next 3 years trying to figure out how to day trade crypto. By the way, you are late if you're trying to day trade or swing trade crypto right now. We're at the bottom of a bear market. You ain't got time to learn that shit. You better start buying. The bull market is 2025. You don't have 3 years to learn this. You don't. You know what you do have time to do? Share information about what you have in your house. Slow masticating juicers. Here is a Sonos. This speaker right here is better than Bang & Olufsen. It's better than your Harmony for your stuff. It's better than, what's the other one that everybody likes or whatever. This thing right here sounds amazing. And I bought it. Not only do I have Sonos, I have a Sonos, surround sound system all throughout my house. This is the best quality of music enjoyment or podcasting you could possibly get your hands on. There's a link in my bio if you want to check it out and read the reviews on it. Obviously, there's not a link in my bio, but I literally just showed you what affiliate marketing is. When people come to my house and they are enjoying the festivities and they say, oh, shit, man, what are you playing this music on? What are we listening to the game on? What are we watching this Black Panther on? Like, Jesus Christ, sounds like the movie theater. Oh, Sonos. Well, where did you buy that? Don't, hey, I'll send you a text message. I'll send you a text message with a link where you can get it. You think I'm just gonna tell? I'll send you a text message with a link. That's gonna be an affiliate link because they already are ready to buy the Sonos. I might as well send them my affiliate link because I'm referring them. They heard the product. They know that the recommendation is coming from someone they trust. Now I'm just gonna send them a link so that they can buy it through my affiliate link so I can get a commission. They're gonna buy it anyway. It's not gonna cost them any more money, but I'm sending Sonos a qualified lead, so they're gonna give me a commission to do that. You don't wanna do that. You should. That's the easiest money in the world. Oh gosh. You know how many Fire Sticks y'all sold in y'all lifetime? I'm picking on people right now. Fire Sticks. How many groceries did people buy from Publix and Kroger, because that's where you shop? How many, where did you get your furniture from? I got my furniture from Haverty's. Really? People go buy $4,000 or $5,000 worth of furniture. You got zero commissions on that? Stop. Is that a Lexus you buy right there? Where'd you buy that Lexus? Oh, I bought it from Nally Lexus in Atlanta. Word. Then they go buy a $70,000 Lexus. Off of your recommendation. How much money did you make? You didn't get no referral money. You didn't get no commit. Like, what are you doing? It's called affiliate marketing. It's very easy. My ebook shows you how to build a whole entire business around that from your house. You can do it as a teenager. I know this because my daughter is 13. Who's getting to the back? My daughter is 13. She get to the back. Oh, guys. Your daughter do affiliate marketing? Yeah. Yeah. She plays games and stuff like that. Roblox, she got a gaming chair and all kind of stuff or whatever. Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? She said, I'll send you a text. Then their parents go buy all that computer stuff or whatever. My daughter be looking at me, she be like, Daddy, look. I be like, that's right. I said, what you gonna do with that money? You gonna spend it? She's like, I'm putting it into Roblox. And we're like, y'all thinking she putting it into Roblox, the game, to buy some avatars or something like that. No, my daughter buys stocks in Roblox. You know what she asked me for her birthday? She said, Dad, I want Roblox. And I was like, oh, word. Is that the game? She's like, yeah. She said, but I want the stock. Because if I'm gonna play it, I want to own it. This is who I'm raising. That's who I'm raising. All right, here we go. Here we go. What did it say? Did you sell soul? Hell no. Sell soul? No. Why would I do that? I don't sell cryptos in a bear market, man. I buy cryptos in a bear market. That might sound like something. That might sound like something that I made up, except for it's not made up. Let me see if I can show it to you. Watch. I don't sell cryptos in the bear market, bro. Not unless I'm just scalping some quick little profits off of it. So let me go here. Watch. Transactions. Buy. Apply. Today is the 9th, so I'm gonna kick this over here and I'm gonna put the 9th. Look at that. Look, buy. You asked me, did I sell soul? No, I bought more today. I bought another 100 soul for $1,300 basically. I don't sell nothing in the bear market. I buy in the bear market. This is where money is made. Who got a calculator? What we call, I'm gonna count this $1,000. That means this will be 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 7,500, 8,000, 9,000, 9,500, 10,000, 10,006, 11,006, 12,006, 13,006. Come on, man. I don't sell in a bear market. I buy in a bear market. When I see all that blood in the streets, I know that's time for me to get it popping. Selling in a bear market is ridiculous. I sell in the bull market. I buy low so I can sell high. My ebook tells you how to do that. It does. I'm just practicing what I preach so y'all don't think that I'm just making this stuff up. Look, go on here. Am I not? I'm buying low down at the bottom of a bear market. We're in 2022. So I'm buying down here at the bottom of a bear market so that I can sell high, which will be at the top of a bull cycle. That bull cycle will be 2025 for the bull run. Crypto market cycle is approximately 4 years. Year 1, bear market. Year 2, accumulation. Year 3, Bitcoin halving cycle. Year 4, bull run. Why would I sell crypto here when I can buy it cheap to sell it high over here? Why would I sell it over here? That's ridiculous. No way. Nope. All right, let's see what's her TikTok. Somebody said, what's my daughter's TikTok? She don't got a TikTok. She don't got a TikTok. Your daughter is doing affiliate marketing. She don't have a TikTok. You think you got to have a TikTok to do affiliate marketing? I just told you. She's a gamer. She games. So all the people that she's gaming with they're always talking to each other, stuff like that. So she's social through gaming. She's making all her money through gaming platforms. You just need to have a social connection. You need to have an audience. That's all you need. So anybody tell me they can't do affiliate marketing, I'm gonna remind you that my daughter's 13. She does affiliate marketing. Somebody said, "What's that Stream Deck link?" Right. This is my daughter's the one who turned. Somebody making that's funny because they know my daughter is the one who turned me on to the Stream Deck. I didn't know nothing about this. This is what gamers use, and she was like, "Dad, you should get a Stream Deck." Because I see you I've been on your lives and I see when you pull up your charts and you always got to open up all those tabs to open up your different charts. She's like, do you know that you can chart? You can, put your charts in here and pull them up like this. I was like, what are you talking about? So I have a whole thing here called Trading View, right? Because this is the logo for Trading View. So I have a Trading View button. If I click that button, I have all my charts right here. So if I click this, it'll literally pull up my chart like this. And I have all my charts that I normally look at. I pull them up right away, just like that. Boom. And I pull it up. I just pulled up 2 of my charts just like this. This is courtesy of my daughter. If y'all want this, I can give you an affiliate link, but I am not. But just then you know. It's a gamer thing. Gamers be trying to do stuff and they can turn their cameras around and turn their mic on and mute their mics and all. You could do all kind of stuff with that thing. I'm like, wait, what? She was like, yeah, well, Daddy, what have you been? What are you doing? Rolled her eyes at me. she's like, it's just not efficient the way you're running your lives. Woo, I'm raising a monster. Calvin, thank you. You're a king, brother. I appreciate that, Mac. You're a king, brother. Love you, man. Only BTC is safe. Nothing is safe. What are you talking about? You said only BTC is safe? That's not a correct statement. Nothing is safe. Not even Bitcoin. Nothing is safe. None of your stocks are safe. None of your crypto is safe. Nothing is safe right now. That's what kind of economy we're in right now. If you think that the only thing that is safe is Bitcoin, you're wrong. None of it. It's all volatile right now. Anything can go to zero at this particular point. Did I scare y'all? I'm just keeping it real. I'm being way over the top, but I'm just telling you it's not just Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just like anything else. It is an asset. And you want me to tell you why Bitcoin is not, I'm trying to make this to a way to I'm not scaring you, but I'm letting you know that that's not a correct statement by saying this to you, right? Let me show you. I'm just going to show you on the charts and you tell me if it makes sense. If this doesn't make sense, then totally just call me a liar or what the young kids say. Just say all cap. And I'll know what you're talking about. All right, so here we go. You're saying that nothing is safe but Bitcoin. Well, let me pull back and show you something. Remember, this is your dollar call. This is your DXY. I mean, this is the Dixie. This is your dollar index. Let me show it to you. Okay? Nothing is safe except for this thing right here, the US dollar. I'm correcting your statement and I'm giving you utilitarian value behind it so you don't say that anymore and you'll have some better information. You say nothing is safe but Bitcoin. Wrong. Nothing is safe but the US dollar. Because up against the US dollar, the stock market is down. That means everything in the stock market is not as safe as the US dollar. Up against the British pound, this is the British pound up against the US dollar, it's down. That means the British pound is not safe. The euro up against the US dollar is down. That means the euro is not safe. Bitcoin is going to be treated like a tech stock because the asset class is still too young. That means it doesn't operate on its own cycles yet. That means it's treated like a tech stock. And if tech stocks are going to be down, and I just showed you that because there's your stock market. If the stock market is going to be down, tech stocks are going to be down, which means Bitcoin is going to be down. So I'm going to correct your statement. Everything is not safe except for Bitcoin. Wrong. Nothing's safe but the US dollar. That's why people worldwide are taking their money out of their currencies and putting it in the US dollar. They're looking for refuge. It's still the world reserve currency. I'm throwing that out there. Now, whether you take that information and you debate me or stuff, I'm not going to debate it with you. I'm not going to tongue wrestle with you. I'm just correcting your statement so that you know. Bitcoin is not safe. None of this shit is safe. The US dollar is the best thing right now. That means you should be... Everybody right now who's real players in the game, they're putting money in the dollar right now. Just keeping it real, just so you can understand on a macro level economics, they're putting their money in the dollar. That's the safe haven right there. If you just really want the truth, it ain't nothing else but that. Everything else is extremely risky right now. We're in a bear market. The CPI index is still high. Matter of fact, the Feds are going to come in tomorrow and give us a new CPI index number, aren't they? The consumer price index number is going to, for October, they're going to give us that tomorrow, right? Right. They are. And if that is a little bit up, the market's going to react to that for sure. Now, somebody might be front running it because I see a big green candle starting to pump on Bitcoin. So maybe the market is trying to front run the news for tomorrow. And you don't know what I mean when I say front run it. Let me see if this makes sense to people. Let me zoom in on this because I'm helping people out here because I always got to explain to them what investments is, but I also got to explain to them economics, how this works. Why would a candle be pumping right now? Think about this for a second. We just had two major candles. I'm talking about this is super bearish right here. Why is this candle pumping right here? Does anybody know? I'll tell you why. Here's what I think. You tell me if this makes sense. Okay? CPI index news. Okay? October CPI preview. Inflation likely ease slightly from the last. Jim Cramer says, hope for the best, prepare for the worst ahead of the October CPI report. October CPI report show inflation still ran hot, even as some goods price cooled down. That means that CPI could come in tomorrow and it could show an increase. Inflation likely to post another sharp increase by October CPI. If that happens, let me tell you, the market is going to do this. Well, if it's going to do that, Calvin, why are we seeing a green pump? Because everybody who bought in, when they came in here and we bought all this crypto down here, they're letting the markets ride up so they can take profits, and they're pre-front running what's going to happen tomorrow, the news. So they can take some profits for all the money that they put in down here. And if the market is absolutely bearish tomorrow, then they've taken their profits out and they can let it tank down. If it's bullish, great. They'll let this run up a little bit more and they make even more money. They're front running this right now is what they're doing. I'm tell you right now. See, y'all look at it in view and y'all think this is technical analysis like some computer algorithm or whatever. No, this is human analysis. This is human analysis is what I'm talking about. I know they're front running the market right now because the CPI is coming out. Calvin, you know what? Somebody invited me to this live and they told me that you were smart, but I was like, let me see for myself. How you feel about me? We just started this live. How you feel about me and my information? Is it good? It gets better. It gets better. I'm just listening to the answers and the comments and stuff, and then I get at those comments and help my entrepreneurs. You can't make this stuff up. This is not a YouTube video. I didn't get a chance to practice this, and I'm going to edit and clip stuff off and put the best stuff up. I either know this stuff or I don't. I know it. Oh, I know it. Boy, I know it. All right, here we go. Let me see. Do you think we're going to crash some more? Yeah. $12,000 to $14,000. I'm on the books. I'm on the record saying $12,000 to $14,000 Bitcoin. I'm on the record for that. So yeah, I do believe we're coming down $12,000 to $14,000. I can show you in the charts later on. Tony said, Calvin, how do I buy your books? Tony, you see where up there where it says 40,000 likes? That's not just a graphic. You can click it. That's a clickable button right there. If you click that button, it'll bring up a picture of me in the center of your phone. Clicking that picture in the center of your phone takes you over to my TikTok account, where I am celebrating the newfound number of 250,000 followers for my backup account. You can see it there. Thank you. I appreciate that. And all right, so you can see here's who I am. I'm part of the 2 Comma Club. There's 2 commas in $1 million. Teaching and helping people make money. I do this all the time. And I have 2 books. You can grab them by clicking this link right here. If you want to go directly to the link, you can just do it by going directly here. powerofpub.com. 7 proven steps to 6-figure affiliate marketing. You better believe that's good. And learning how to navigate crypto like an absolute boss. I'm going over this ebook tonight for sure. I'm just warming up, answering some questions right now, and then I'm over that book. I'm going to be going in the book answering questions as well, but I'm just going over questions right now. Talk about Bitcoin, please. That's from Jeanette. Jeanette, I just talked about Bitcoin right now. Well, Jeanette, let's go deeper into that. Everybody thank Jeanette. Am I saying that right? Jeanette 2020. Everybody thank Jeanette 2020 for asking the question, asking me to go into Bitcoin. Let's do it. We're really going to go into it. I'm going to pull up the charts and everything. So here's where Bitcoin is right now. It is absolutely dumped down. Okay, we have seen a new low. What do you mean when you say a new low? Let me zoom out so you can understand. Okay, Bitcoin has been bearish, and I know this looks like a small chart. I just got it zoomed all the way down, but this chart is large. All right, we've been crashing down since Bitcoin hit $68,000 for the most part, 67.5 in November. Look. Tuesday, November 9th of 2021, Bitcoin pretty much topped out at about $68,000. That means we have officially been in a bear market for about a year because it is November of 2022. Is that right? The 9th? We have been crashing down in a bear market for about a year, right? Thumbs up on that because that's real information, all right? Inside of this crash, we have seen 3 bear flags that we've broken out of. Here's the first one, we broke out of it. Here's the second one, broke out of it. And here's the third one that we just broke out and we're consolidating and we just had a major damn dump. Basically what I'm trying to tell you is we're at the bottom of a freaking bear market. And I know this because in my ebook, it tells you that the average bear market is 289 days or 9.6 months. We've been in this bear market for over a year now. That means we're at the bottom. We're down here. If you've been waiting to find out where the bottom of a market is, where you should come in and start grabbing crypto, we're there now. Is it the absolute bottom? I don't think so. I think we're coming down here 12 to 14 grand. But make no mistake about it. A year's worth of bearishness, we're at the bottom. A lot of millionaires are going to be created by buying crypto down here right now. I'm telling you that right off the bat. Make no mistake about that. Now, let me zoom in on this so we can go back. I just want to show you the macro, show you that we're bearish. Now I'm going to zoom in on this and see what's happening right here with this area. Okay, here's what y'all need to know. Bitcoin has printed a new low. What do you mean? You see this red line right here? That's where Bitcoin was at the bottom, 17,620, but that was in June. Let me scroll over here and show you what I'm talking about. You see this candle right here? Look at the date. June the 18th, that was a Saturday of this year. Bitcoin dropped all the way down here to $17,620. And we have since passed that now, because if I go over here, look, this is clearly past this red line. That means we have a new low. And I'm gonna print this in here. I'm not gonna do it now, but I'm gonna go to my chart and put another line here because that is the lowest that we've been so far. Now Bitcoin has come all the way down to $15,629, right? Is that true? Yes, it is. Now, here's what you need to understand. I have Bitcoin coming down to $12,000 to $14,000. I have a little blue arrow down here. Let me click on it. You see it? That means from where Bitcoin literally has gone and been right now, 15,000 and some change, it is only a 10% drop to hit my box where I have it down here. I've had this box here for months. Bitcoin only needs to drop 10% to hit the top of this red box that I told people about months ago. Bitcoin is coming down to $12,000 to $14,000. At the top of this box right there is 14 grand, and down here is 12.5 for the most part. And don't tell me that Bitcoin can't drop 10% from where it has been, because if I want to look at these candles, just in case anybody's paying attention, this first candle dropping down here, that was basically, let's see here, it was about a 15.5% drop. You see that? Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. That was the first candle right there. Let's see what this red candle was right here. This candle from where it printed out right there to here, that was that's almost a 16% drop. You telling me Bitcoin can't drop 10% to hit my red box from where it is right now? Let's see where it is right now. How much of a drop would that be? Right here, it's trading at this dotted line right here. From here to the top of my box is only a 13% drop. You telling me Bitcoin can't get there? You've lost your mind. It absolutely can. It absolutely can. So I'm gonna remain where I said Bitcoin coming to $12,000 to $14,000. I'm not budging off of that. I meant what I said, and I'm gonna keep that red box there. Now let's go here and let's look at some other charts, just to make sure that Bitcoin is bearish, because people have been saying that it was bullish, and I have been telling my audience, no, it's not. So let's look at my charts now, because I already told them days ago that I was confirming that it was bearish, and now Bitcoin has dumped on people's ass. My man showed up. Don't worry, I'll show you my man here in a second. Me and him best friends right now. You know, we met at a Halloween party, and you know, we've been kicking it ever since, man. Let me show y'all. Right? Let me pull this up. Let me show you who I met at a Halloween party, and me and him been kicking it for a long time now. Right? When I say a long time, only like a couple days here recently, right? People went chasing these big green candles and listening to people on YouTube tell them that we were bullish. And I was telling my people on the macro, no, we're not. We're still bearish. So they went pumping a bunch of money into these candles right here. And the stormtroopers and my man showed up right here. I met him at a Halloween party. This is everybody say what's up to Mr. Vader here. His first name is Darth. Me and Mr. Vader right here been kicking it, and he was telling me that he was getting ready to pull this thing out and chop people's finances up. And I was like, say what? He's like, yeah. He's like, people think I'm playing around. I'm gonna show up with my stormtroopers. I'm gonna send the stormtroopers in here first, and then I'm gonna show up and I'm gonna get to swinging this shit right here. And I'm gonna chop me up some finances for sure, because they not listening to people like you, bruh. I was like, say what? I was like, that's mean, man. He was like, it is what it is out here in these streets. Mr. Vader showed up 2 days in a row. I was back there on the sideline. I was like, look at him go. I was like, that's cold-blooded, man. People ain't listening. They gonna start listening now. I appreciate that, Mr. Graphic. All right, so let's look at this. Let's look at this chart right here, man. All right, we're not even gonna go deep into it, because understand this. This chart is the 50, it's the 50-week and the 200-week moving average, okay? Now watch this. Here's what some of y'all are getting ready to agree on, because you saw me do this and I was telling people. Long story short, this blue line represents the 50-week moving average. You see it, 50 with weekly candles. Bitcoin has to be above that blue line in order to be bullish. Look right here, see it? Bitcoin has to be above this 50-week moving average in order to be bullish, period. If it falls below that 50-week moving average, you already know that that's going to be a bearish move, and you've been seeing that. Look at it from here to where we are right now. Let me just do a show right here where we lost. Here's where we lost the 50-week. There we go. Look at that. That's bearish. Is that right? Is that not? Is that not bearish? Yeah, it is. And we lost the 50-week back over here. All right, so I just want to make sure everybody understands that. Can you tell me when we actually start teetering around on that? Sure, that was way back here in December of 2021 when y'all was still buying crypto. You shouldn't have been buying crypto right there. You should have taken your profits out, right? And you shouldn't have been buying crypto in December of 2021. Y'all thought y'all was going to be rich. And my people knew better than that. That's what this orange circle is right here. We consolidated, pushed back up. I printed another orange circle and told people, chill. This is not bullish at all. And they was like, no, 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 no. We're chasing the big green candles. And then my mans and them showed up and chopped all this shit up for 9 weeks straight. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, for 9 weeks straight, Darth Vader was in they shit for 9 weeks. We never seen that in Bitcoin history before, right? They tried to have a little relief pump, and Darth Vader came back in here 2 more weeks and chopped them up. Right there, we lost the 200-week moving average, and we was traveling below it. This has never happened in Bitcoin history. We've never closed candles below on a weekly, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, we closed candles below the 200-week moving average. Tried to push up to get bullish, got rejected. Darth Vader showed back up to the party and said, no, I ain't having it. And so he he moved aside. I'm telling y'all this story. This is a real story. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more weeks up under the 19,500 bull high. Some of y'all don't know what that is, but in the bull market of 2017, Bitcoin ran up to about $19,500 over here, okay? And so that marks the bull high right there, and we fell below it and closed 5 candles, weekly candles below that, which was absolutely major, and it was dangerous. Now look at where we are. People was getting excited because we started pushing back up, and I told my people, chill, this ain't the time. And you say, well, how would you know, Calvin? Because it's going up right here. How would you know that it's not bullish? I don't understand. Oh, I can show you how. Over here, I have a simple moving average of the 200-day. Look at me turn this on. Watch what happens when I turn. Just watch, pay attention to this over here. You'll hear my click of my mouse. Look what happens right here. It's going to be a yellow line. Watch what shows up. Uh-oh. Right. Let me zoom in on that so you can see that close up. If you ever see the 200 daily, if you ever see the 200-day moving average cross the 200-week moving average, that's called a death cross. That's right. You never want to see that. And you've never seen that in history of Bitcoin. Look, I can go all the way back. Let me show it to you. Follow down here as I'm doing this. You've never seen it down here. That was August of this year. Was it here? Nope. April. Was it here? Obviously none of this is all well above it. Oh, it's all 2021. Now let's keep going. That's 2020. That's 20. Let's keep going, Calvin. Yep. Jeez, man, bro, go all the way back. You've never seen this. I'm all the way back here, 2017. You've never seen the 200 daily cross this 200-week moving average, ever. Never. But here you have it. That's a death cross. There's no way Bitcoin can be bullish on a death cross. Nope. I'm zooming it back in so y'all can see it with y'all own eyes. Is that not it? Yes, it is. Bitcoin is not bullish, not even close to it, ladies and gentlemen. We're very much so bearish. Very much so bearish. Let me show you another count. Are y'all agreeing with that? As I take a drink of water? Y'all agree? A lot of people can't show you that on the chart because they don't know nothing about it. That 200-day is pointed down like this. It's not going sideways. That's consolidation. It's not doing this. That's bullishness. It's doing this. It is. I'm looking right at it. That means it's not even trying to slow up from pushing the market down. I'm going to show you something else here in a second. Y'all never, for my OGs, I'm going to show you something that you never seen before here. And I'm going to do it on my EMA ribbons because, Calvin, I love your EMA ribbons chart. Well, wait till you see the new, I'm going to show it to you in a different way and you're going to be like, damn, right? For those of you who don't know what this is, by the way, this is my custom EMA ribbons chart, okay? This is very much so bespoke. You're not going to be able to find it on a regular indicator inside of TradingView. No way. You got to know how to build this out. So let me show you what I'm doing here on this EMA ribbons chart. Basically, I am tracking Bitcoin, right, on the daily from the 20 EMA all the way through the 55. That means I'm looking at the 25 all the way through the 55, right? Boom, like that. You see it? So the 20 is yellow and the 55 is red. Here's all you need to know. If the yellow is above the 55 red line and there's separation in these ribbons, Bitcoin is going to be bullish. Y'all can clearly see that, right? If you ever see these ribbons get tangled up, I'm going to give you a thumbs down, because when it gets tangled up, you're going to see the 20 fall below the 55, and the ribbons are going to separate that way, and you're going to be bearish. Does everybody see that? Am I making this up, or is this bearish? Yes, it is. That's bearish. I'm not making it up. All right. And see here, there's your entanglement right there. Do you see the ribbons cross? Look at all that. This starts coming up, pulls the ribbon up. The ribbon gets crossed, nothing but bullishness. There's your 20 above the 55, and the ribbons are separated. Y'all see that? All right. Now let's just go over here and see where we are right now, because we just had some coonery and buffoonery here. Calvin, did you say coonery and buffoonery? Yeah, look. Look at what has happened. Over here, on the 4th, a couple of days ago, I gave a thumbs up to my audience, and they loved it. They was like, oh yeah, man, time to make some money. Sure, because why? Look, you see the yellow ribbon cross the 55, and boom, that was gains, right? Thumbs up. And then you start having what's called a black swan event. What is that, sir? That is an event that no one sees coming, like the COVID crash that happened in March of 2020. I'll go back and show you the COVID crash here in a second. This was an FTX black swan event. No one ever thought that one of the top exchanges in the world would be on the verge of insolvency, right? And going out of business. And so that caused the market to start reacting, and boom, this was a black swan event. This was not supposed to happen. This was supposed to continue going this way, bullishness. Black swan event dumps the market. Now look what you clearly see. You have now seen, let me show it to you so I can, you have now seen the 20 crossing back up over the 55 and separating. I had to give you a thumbs down. This we're now bearish for sure. That 20 is separated completely away from the 55, and it is trending down. We're now back bearish for sure. That happened in days. That has never happened that fast before. That's how you know it's a black swan event. Now, let me show y'all something else. Here's where my OGs are going to get excited about my chart, because you've seen this chart in several different ways, but what you haven't seen it is on the 15-minute. You're going to see that Bitcoin is trading below the 20 on the 15. I never showed y'all this because it's advanced, but I want to show it to you. Watch. We're looking at the daily. Watch what happens when I go here and click on the 15-minute chart. Look at that. You see that? Another way to show you that we have been bearish. Bitcoin has been traveling below this this 15-minute candle right here for the 20 day. You see that? Couldn't get through it. It's trying to get through here, but look, couldn't get through it. Nope, 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 nope. And we're gonna see what's gonna happen right here. Y'all see that? Y'all normally used to looking at it on the daily and seeing it like that. Ooh, Calvin, that's crazy. I know. I told you my chart is the truth. It does a lot of things. I just don't really go into detail. I just show y'all the daily stuff. Some of y'all like, yo, Calvin, you been holding out on us, man. I choose when I'm gonna show y'all different stuff. Today is one of those days where I'm letting you in just to let you know, when I'm telling you that I know what I'm doing, you're seeing it for yourself with your own eyes. Right? Okay, let me show you something else. This chart, because we're just looking at this. Remember, we can thank our sister who asked about Bitcoin, wanted to see what Bitcoin is doing. Here's the Gaussian channel. Y'all have seen this before. Long story short, if the Gaussian channel is green, and when it flips green, if Bitcoin is above it, you're gonna be bullish. If it flips red, and Bitcoin is below it, when it flips red, you're gonna be bearish. You can see that. Here, you see the channel flips green, Bitcoin is above it, bullishness, not a lot of money making. Here, you see it flip red, Bitcoin was below it. When it flipped red, came crashing down here, it flips red, bearishness for sure. Y'all get the idea. Flips green, Bitcoin was above it. You had a little bit of a pump and then it went inside of it. That's when you should be careful, flips red, we're below the channel, boom, nothing but bearishness. Y'all get the idea. Look at where we are right now. People out here telling you that Bitcoin is bullish and is about to go crazy and pump. What are they talking about? What are we doing here? Who is out here lying to you? This channel is completely red. We're nowhere near being on top of it. It's not green at all. What does that tell you about Bitcoin? Does this look bearish or does this look bullish to you? People out here telling you that Bitcoin is getting ready to pump and go crazy. What does this look like to you? Stop. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that and I'm gonna put it on a t-shirt and print it out. I'm gonna send it to Printful and put it on a t-shirt and say, oh, we are not bullish. We're not bullish. I'm gonna screenshot that. Let me screenshot that guy. I might put that on a t-shirt for real. Let me screenshot that real quick. I'm gonna see it. Yeah. I'm gonna put it on a t-shirt. We are not bullish.